Hey everybody, in today's video I'm going to be unboxing my latest Amazon purchase. This is the Suunto Core watch. So with all my purchases, I like doing these unboxing videos in case there's somebody else out there thinking about buying the same item and they want to get an idea of what does it look like when it comes in, what's the quality like, etc. So go ahead and peel this back. This is not my first experience with the Suunto Core. If you've watched my videos in the past, I actually used to have the same watch, but I had it in the Alpha Stealth model. And as much as I liked it, my issue with the Alpha Stealth model was that the display was really hard to see. Really liked the watch, but I went with the regular one because hopefully the display will be easier to see. So let's take a look at what we get. Nothing too flashy as far as the packaging, basically just a cardboard box. I have had other Suunto watches. I really hadn't been a big fan of them. Other than this model, I really like the Core. I had the Suunto 7 as well. The Traverse Alpha Stealth was a cool watch. I wish they still made it, actually. Wow, so they have it all taped up. So give me a second here. I'll see if I can't pry it out of here. Now in this video, I'm just doing an unboxing. Once I get it going, if I can show you any of the features, I'll try and attach those videos as well. Hopefully you're gonna be able to see this okay. Realize I get a lot of reflection here. The one thing I don't like about this model that I liked about the other ones, I don't know why they did it, is the other ones have a little lume pip up here that will glow in the dark. On the regular black one, they do not. And apparently that was just a design idea that they went with. They wanted a different style. I wish they would have put the lume tip on this one. Buckle's nice and big. Unfortunately, it doesn't have their logo or anything. It would have been cooler if they would have put Suunto or something on it. It's just kind of a plain stainless steel buckle. So the big thing with this watch is that it is not rechargeable, and they have it set up that you can actually change out the battery, supposedly pretty easy. I have never tried changing the battery on this watch, so I'm not sure how easy that actually is, but you can see they've got a little groove here where you put a coin in and you can basically take the back off, change out the battery on your own. It uses a regular CR2032 battery, which is pretty standard that you can go buy anywhere. Go ahead and press the start and stop button. Hopefully it'll turn it on. And we are up and ready to go. Gives you an idea of what the screen looks like. So much easier to read than the inverted displays. I do like this screen on this a lot nicer. Really a great watch. I tend to be a Pro Trek guy. I have a lot of Garmin watches. This is a great one just to have. It's always running on a battery, gives you altimeter, barometer. You can just throw it on and go. I'm going to do a quick follow-up because I failed to go through the box and show you what was in the box. So as you saw, I went ahead and pulled out the watch. You basically just got this little styrofoam thing. You've got your watch in there with some plastic on it. When you get into the actual box, there are a couple of other things. Just in case you buy this and you're looking for it, they give you a couple extra keepers. They have two of them that are on the watch already, and then they give you a couple extras. And then you can pull this insert out. And you're basically going to have the instruction manual. It looks like some kind of hazardous material card, but your quick guide. Not a whole lot to show you, but I did want to show you just so you don't throw out the box, just to make sure you know that you've got some keepers. None of the keepers have Suunto on them. There's no logo anywhere really on the band, which again, I tend to like having logos on there. I'll show you. This watch here is the CAC City SPV 710. It's basically the knockoff of the Suunto Core. And even the CAC City company put their logo on the buckle, which Suunto did not. And I also wanted to give you another look at the case back. Earlier it had plastic on it, so it wasn't very easy for you to see it. But you can look at the case back a little bit better now. Anyway, that's the end of the unboxing. I hope the video helps.